Today we are making one of my latest hyperfixations, an iced Coquito Latte. This combines one of my favorite Puerto Rican cocktails in a non-alcoholic version with freshly brewed espresso and any kind of milk you like. It is such an amazing treat, perfect for enjoying around the holidays. So if you know Coquito, you know this is an alcohol-infused coconut cocktail. And as much as I love the original recipe, I'm not super on board with alcohol before noon on a daily basis. So we are making this Coquito creamer situation completely alcohol-free. You feel free to do whatever it is that you do in your household. No judgment. So I didn't want to make this recipe a huge batch because it's just a creamer. I'm not using a ton of it at a time. So we're doing sort of a shortcut Coquito. We're skipping the spiced tea and we're just doing a can of evaporated milk, a can of sweetened condensed milk, and a can of coconut milk. So traditionally I would add a can of cream of coconut here, but I just felt like it was a lot of ingredients for a seemingly simple creamer, and you can kind of achieve that coconut flavor just using the can of coconut milk instead. And then the sweetened condensed milk is super key here because it helps to kind of emulsify almost and give this that super rich creamy texture that we want in a creamer. And then instead of the spiced tea, we're just sticking to some cinnamon that's ground and ground nutmeg. This helps to really infuse those classic spices into our creamer. And then we're just blending this all up. You can do this in a blender or use an immersion blender like I'm doing here, and you'll just continue to blend until it is smooth and creamy like this. And then you've got this super amazing creamer that keeps for up to a week in your fridge. You can use it as a creamer in any kind of drink you like, hot or cold. I've been using it with chai tea, with matcha, and especially with lattes. So I brewed a couple shots of espresso and then poured it over ice with some milk. And then of course, topped it all off with a generous pour of this Coquito creamer. And because of the consistency of those 3 different kinds of milk, it sits really beautifully at the top, almost like a cold foam, but not quite. And it just mixes in so magically wherever you use it. It's just like a creamy, delicious spice coconut infused dream. If you give this a try, definitely let me know what you think. I know it's a little bit unconventional, but I am here for literally anything Coquito flavored. So I'm thinking next year we need to do Coquito ice cream. We've got to do a Coquito cheesecake. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you next time.